So for the last 30 days, I've been using Loma Wax Company's Beard Balm in my goatee. The Beard Balm comes in a standard 1 ounce screw tin. The scent of this is pretty much the same as what the mustache wax is. However, they added a little rosemary essential oil in with the Ember, Canadian Black Spruce, Grapefruit, Vetiver essential oils just to get a little bit of a different scent. And I have to say that I actually like this one probably better than the mustache wax. The other ingredients in this wax include shea butter, beeswax, coconut oil, vitamin E, argan, jojoba, and castor oils. Now, just like any other beard balm, to apply it, you just take and you put a little bit on your thumb, nail, and you just kind of melt it into your fingers. And as you'll see, this melts fairly quickly. And then you just simply apply it to your beard. A couple of things that I want to mention about this beard balm. It is a little bit more oily and leaves a little bit more oily residue than I would really like it to. However, it's not to the point where it's not able to be used. I'd like to thank Loma Wax Company for sending out this beard balm to review for them. If you're looking for some beard balm, go ahead and give these guys a try. It's a pretty decent product. This beard oil comes in a 1/2 ounce glass container with a glass eyedropper. Now I have to say that the scent in this is strong enough that I really do like it, even though that is technically the same scent that they used in their other products. Now this has a very simple ingredient list. It's got jojoba oil and vitamin E in it. And then it's got a few essential oils to give you the scent that they wanted you to smell. And speaking of scent, I think that their scent smells so much better in this than it does their other products. And I think the reason why that is because you don't have any other products with their own natural scent kind of contaminating the scent that they wanted you to have. The essential oils that they have in this are Ember, Canadian Black Spruce, Grapefruit, and Vetiver. Now one of my favorite parts about this product, besides the really nice pleasant smell, is the fact that they have an eyedropper, which allows me to just get the exact amount of beard oil that I want to put on my goatee and my mustache even. If you want to check out Loma Wax Company's beard oil, beard balm, or even their mustache wax, make sure you check out their website link down below. While you're down there, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button for more reviews just like this one, and leave me a comment letting me know what products you would like to see me review. Until next time, you have a good one.